All right, let's dive into some O-level geography model answers to help you ace that exam.
We've got 4 key topics on the agenda today. Think of this like a mini exam paper.
First up, a quick one marker from urban geography. So, what's that key term?
And the answer is precinct. That's the key word you need for the point.
Okay, next up is a question on urban hazards. This one needs a bit more detail.
So the model answer hits 3 key points: loss of life, destroyed property, and people being displaced.
All right, now we have to evaluate. That means looking at the data and weighing the evidence.
And wow, look at this chart. You can see a huge difference in recycling rates across materials.
So the big takeaway? Metals do great, but plastics and textiles, not so much.
Okay, let's switch gears to tourism. Why are places like Antarctica suddenly so popular?
It really comes down to 3 things: unique experiences, easier travel, and a love for nature.
But what about the downsides? How can tourism actually hurt a local economy?
One big idea is economic leakage. That's when tourist money doesn't stay in the local area.
Another huge risk is over-reliance. It makes an economy super vulnerable to outside shocks.
Now for climate. This diagram perfectly shows how relief rain actually works.
It's a simple 3-step process. Air goes up, rain comes down, and then dry air descends.
Next up, a really important question about one of our most fragile ecosystems: coral reefs.
The model answer points to 3 huge threats: bleaching from heat, acidification, and storm damage.
Okay, here's a big 9 marker. Are structural approaches, like seawalls, the most effective strategy?
The model answer starts by saying, to a large extent. That's a classic signal for a balanced argument.
And here's the key: no single strategy works alone. It's all about combining different approaches.
All right, on to our last section, tectonics. Let's start with the surprising benefits of volcanoes.
2 big ones here. You get amazing fertile soil for farming, and the landscapes pull in tourists.
For our final essay question, we're weighing disaster management strategies. What's most important?
And you'll see a theme here. The best answer is an integrated one, balancing all the different phases.
So that means you need preparedness before, a solid response during, and long-term restoration after.
Which leaves us with one final thought. Why is being proactive so much more critical than just reacting?